I think one of the main ways that we benefited from our open research practices was having that data analysis plan specified in advance. My name's Ben Ambridge and I'm a psychology professor here at the University of Manchester. The name of the project is Learning to Inflect Nouns and Verbs in Finnish, Polish and Estonian. So it's about how children put those little markers on the end of words to change the meaning. So like cat, cats, or play, plays in English. So the way it works in these studies is we show children little animations with the child and sometimes the experimenter as well in them, doing different things like kicking or playing to see how good kids are at putting these different endings on the words. So there were two different studies in this project. The first one we just did an open access article with open data and materials. And then for the second one, we went for a full pre-registration where we actually specified, in addition, our data analysis plan in advance. And then in subsequent work, doing similar studies on Japanese, for example, we've done a full registered report where the methods and data analysis plan are actually agreed in advance as part of the peer review process. So all of us on this project are psychologists, and I think psychology has suffered more than perhaps any other discipline from the replication crisis, where it turns out that a lot of the findings that we've been telling our students for the past 20 years or so, maybe all of them are not quite as true as they might be. Open science isn't the panacea for that, but we can certainly have more confidence in researchers' findings when they've pre-registered predictions of the theories and the data analysis plans that they're going to use them in advance. So for people who are new to open science, it can be a little bit intimidating trying to do everything in one go. So I suggest kind of working up to it gradually. So maybe like we did for the first paper, you just want to have an open access paper. Then maybe the next paper, you add the open data and the open materials. The paper after that, you might add a full pre-registration, and then working up to a registered report where you specify the introduction and data analysis plan and have that reviewed as part of the peer review process in advance of collecting the data.